In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a YouTube playlist to Google Notebook LM in one click. We'll walk through two practical approaches. First, the fastest built-in way using bulk link pasting. Then, the best workaround that feels closest to a true one-click import by converting your playlist into a single document. Both methods are simple, and I'll point out tips to help you move quickly and keep things clean inside Notebook LM. Let's start with the built-in approach for speed. Open your YouTube playlist so you can see all the videos in one place. To grab links efficiently, middle-click each video to open it in a new tab. This lets you cycle through the tabs and copy each video URL without losing your spot. You can copy the address from the browser bar in each tab or use your browser's option to copy the link directly from the playlist page. Once you've gathered a batch of URLs, head over to Notebook LM. In Notebook LM, click the plus button to add source, choose link, paste one video link, and add it. Then repeat for the rest of your links. The key to making this feel fast is momentum. Add links in one focused session. Notebook LM processes sources in parallel, so the moment you start feeding it multiple URLs, it works on them at the same time. You'll see items populate together, which saves you waiting around. Keep the window open while it ingests, and you'll have a complete set of videos ready to analyze with minimal friction. Now for the workaround that's closest to a single click. Instead of adding each video separately, use a tool or site that can extract your playlist details. Titles and video transcripts are ideal. Collect that content and paste it into a single Google Doc stored in your Google Drive. Organize the document so each video title is clearly separated from its transcript. Simple headings or clear breaks make it easier for Notebook LM to understand the structure. When your document is ready, go back to Notebook LM, choose Add Source, select Google Drive, and pick that file. In one move, your entire playlist becomes a single, unified source. This approach typically results in faster, cleaner analysis because everything lives in one place with consistent formatting and context. To wrap up, use the built-in linking method when you want speed with minimal prep, and use the document method when you want the smoothest, most consolidated experience. Either way, you'll get your playlist into Notebook LM quickly and be ready to explore summaries, themes, and insights.